Severe flooding in Chazanga, a densely populated neighborhood in Lusaka, has left residents grappling with rising waters as poor drainage systems struggle to cope with the heavy rainfall, leaving residents displaced and struggling to cope with the aftermath. The floodwaters, triggered by heavy rainfall, have exposed the critical weaknesses in the area's drainage system, which has long been neglected. Cynthia Chela, a resident of Chazanga, expresses how the floods have affected her and is calling for government's aid.
Kama ningia mangena mnyumba yakangena mnyumba timachoka mu mnyumba tima indogona manebazi kunja kuja kwa next kulibe manzi kweti magona so mvura ili yonse karoka cha beikuru cheri mangena so cheri ndinga pempe ko chokuti mtitandizireko at least mutandizako so that ngani ma drainage at least yatalimpako and then ukusoka kungenera manzi mwachitako mwa matikavering lako ndeta nzetinga pempe ko kutina ise manzi kuno kali manyumba like mnyumba muno mulili mafro yambodilika chifuka cha manzi kairi yankalira so npemba uchetandiza kuti mtandize ko kungenera manzi kuvaliwe.
Chazanga's drainage system is severely disturbed by people that have built so close to the drainage system, which often leads to clogging with debris and waste. Because of these infrastructures, when it rains, the water has no place to go, leading to the floods. An anonymous resident of Chazanga has called upon government officials to tear down buildings that may be obstructing the flow of the drainage system.
That's why manzi yangenira drainage kulibe. Twapangisa na ma drainage chifuka so pena mkwati paja pamene ninkala penzele road yakuti manzi azipita hapo. Uja amene wanagulisa kusogolo noendo valira manzi amangapo nyumba. Paoneka nooneka chapezo pita chani nika road kabantu aka mpamene aendo manga. So baje bamene bali na mpamvu baje bakabwera ni bamene banga tutandize kuti apa pwanyani manzi azipita.
The flooding in Chazanga is a stark reminder of the growing pressures facing urban centers in Zambia. As climate change leads to more frequent and intense rainfall, the need for better urban planning and infrastructure has never been more urgent. Mlenga Chipampe Makasa, Diamond News.